Everyone, welcome to another house tour. My name is Lester and dito tayo ngayon sa Plaincrest view dito sa Pag Tanauan, Batangas. Isa na namang property na papakita namin sa inyo, and this one is low-cost housing. So very affordable, pero as you can see, napaka-stylish na rin niya and bagay na bagay sa nagsisimulang pamilya. So tour namin kayo, and if you're interested, then we'll have all the details down the bottom and we'll show you around. Sige, as you can see first, pakita namin sa inyo, this one is still under development and it's a good time to buy the property. Usually, if it's still under pre-selling, then mas mababa siya. We'll have the full details of the prices, send us a message or get in touch with us with the information below. Pero, most important part that you'll see the property, and sige, tour namin kayo. Papakita namin sa inyo is yung hindi siya dress up, meaning wala pang mga appliances, wala pang mga furniture. You'll have a good idea kung ano itsura ng bahay and what's inside. So, tara! Ayan. So, welcome to Plaincrest view. This is a very typical size and design ng mga makikita natin. In fact, with a lot of low-cost housing, so it's up and down, and you have this much space for your living area and essentially sa small kitchen. Pero, with this one, ang maganda sa kanya is nasa labas yung CR niya. Yung iba kasi, dito yung stairs niya sa unahan, and then CR dito. So, it uses a lot of space. Pero in this case, ayan, sa labas yung CR niya. So, you'll have a bigger area dito for your living area and kitchen. Pero, if you want a bigger living area, then you can definitely use the space here. Comes with an additional space for extension for your kitchen. And, ayan, usually it's a shared space kasi talagang you'll have to divide it among the other houses. Pero, it's a good way to have dirty kitchen or kitchen extension. So, as you can see naman, it's well finished. Maganda yung ambience niya, maliwanag and maluwag din. And you'll see a lot of examples ng ganitong bahay. It's really just maximizing the space. This is something na good enough for starting family. Tara sa taas, para pakita namin sa inyo yung taas. There's usually provision for 2 bedrooms. Pero up to you, kung gusto mong mas malaki yung room, then you can have it a whole as one big room. And then, ayan, both sides may window. Para kung dalawa yung room natin, then may window dito and may window din dito. If it's 2 bedroom, then you can fit up to a queen size bed. And of course, you'll have a little bit of another room for your kids probably. Ayan, ayun naman yung kabuo ng bahay. As you can see, if you make it na yung kisame is more of diagonal or patusok siya, then you'll have more space sa pataas instead of flat. So, it's still up to you. Pero as you can see, there's a lot of flexibility and marami ka talagang pwedeng magawa dito sa bahay nito. So, ayun, guess that's it for this house tour. If you're interested with this house, check out the description box below. We have a form there where you can fill out your information. You can get in touch with our contact information down below. So, hope to hear from you, and if you want to see more house tours, just check our channel and subscribe to it to make sure we'll share a lot of different houses para naman you'll have more options and you get the best deal for you and your family. So again, my name is Lester and thank you for watching. See you sa next house tour. Bye-bye.